Why is your brain so bad at recognizing faces? Face blindness, scientifically known as prosopagnosia, is a fascinating yet often misunderstood condition that affects an individual's ability to recognize faces. This neurological disorder can range from mild difficulty in recognizing familiar faces to a complete inability to identify anyone by their facial features. Estimates suggest that face blindness affects approximately 2 to 3% of the population, making it a more common condition than many realize. While some individuals are born with this condition, others may acquire it due to brain injury or neurological disorders. Understanding face blindness is crucial, not only for those who experience it, but also for cognitive science as a whole. The study of face recognition delves into how our brains process visual information and how we form social connections. Faces are a fundamental aspect of human interaction. They convey emotions, intentions, and identities. When someone struggles with recognizing faces, it can lead to significant social challenges, impacting relationships and daily interactions. By exploring the mechanisms behind face recognition, researchers can gain insights into broader cognitive processes, including memory, attention, and perception. What makes the study of face blindness particularly intriguing is the complexity of human perception. Our brains are wired to recognize faces almost instinctively, often without conscious effort. This ability is so ingrained that it raises questions about how we perceive the world around us. Why do some people excel at recognizing faces while others struggle? What does this tell us about the brain's adaptability and the nature of human cognition? As we dive deeper into the world of face blindness, we uncover not just the challenges faced by those affected, but also the remarkable capabilities of the human brain. Join us as we explore this captivating topic and its implications for understanding how we connect with one another. What is face blindness? Face blindness, clinically known as prosopagnosia, is a neurological condition that impairs an individual's ability to recognize faces. This disorder can manifest in various ways, from difficulty remembering familiar faces to an inability to recognize even close friends and family members. Individuals with prosopagnosia often rely on alternative cues such as voice, clothing, or hairstyle to identify people, which can lead to significant social challenges and misunderstandings. The emotional toll of this condition can be profound, as it may hinder personal relationships and create feelings of isolation. The neurological basis of face recognition is complex and involves several areas of the brain, particularly the fusiform gyrus, which is often referred to as the fusiform face area. This region is specialized for processing facial features and is crucial for distinguishing between different faces. When this area is damaged, whether due to injury or developmental issues, it can result in prosopagnosia. Researchers are still unraveling the intricacies of how our brains recognize faces, including the role of memory and attention in this process. The fact that face recognition is often automatic and unconscious adds another layer of complexity to understanding this phenomenon. Interestingly, several well-known individuals have publicly shared their experiences with face blindness, bringing greater awareness to the condition. For instance, the famous British neurologist Oliver Sacks wrote about his own struggles with prosopagnosia in his book, The Man Who Mistook His Wife for a Hat. Similarly, Actress and comedian Janine Garofalo has spoken about her challenges with recognizing faces, which has affected her social interactions and professional life. These real-life examples highlight that face blindness is not just a clinical term, but a condition that can impact anyone, regardless of their background or achievements. Understanding prosopagnosia can foster empathy and support for those navigating its challenges. The science behind face recognition. Recognizing faces is a remarkable cognitive process that involves several intricate mechanisms within the brain. Central to this ability is the fusiform face area, FFA, a specialized region located in the fusiform gyrus of the temporal lobe. The FFA is crucial for processing facial features and is particularly responsive to faces compared to other objects. When we see a face, the FFA activates, allowing us to quickly and efficiently identify who we are looking at. This area plays a significant role in distinguishing between different faces, highlighting its importance in social interactions and communication. The brain processes facial features and expressions through a combination of visual and emotional cues. When we look at a face, our brains analyze various components, such as the shape of the eyes, the curve of the mouth, and the overall structure of the face. This analysis is not just about recognizing individual features. It also involves understanding the emotional context conveyed by facial expressions. For instance, a smile can indicate happiness, while a furrowed brow may suggest concern. The brain integrates these visual signals to form a comprehensive understanding of the person's identity and emotional state, allowing for nuanced social interactions. An essential concept in face recognition is holistic processing, which refers to the brain's ability to perceive a face as a whole rather than as a collection of individual features. This holistic approach enables us to recognize faces more efficiently and accurately. For example, when we see a familiar face, we don't just focus on the eyes or mouth. Instead, we perceive the entire face in context. This holistic processing is what makes face recognition so unique and effective, but it can also be disrupted in individuals with prosopagnosia, who may struggle to integrate facial features into a cohesive whole. Understanding these cognitive processes sheds light on the complexities of human perception and the remarkable capabilities of our brains in recognizing faces. Why do we struggle with faces? Face recognition is a complex cognitive task that can pose challenges for many individuals, and several factors contribute to these difficulties. One significant aspect is memory. Our ability to recognize faces is closely tied to how well we can remember them. If someone has a poor memory or experiences memory-related conditions, they may struggle to recall familiar faces. This can be particularly frustrating in social situations where recognizing friends or acquaintances is essential for meaningful interactions. Attention also plays a crucial role in face recognition. In our fast-paced world, distractions can hinder our ability to focus on faces. When we are preoccupied or multitasking, we may not fully engage with the faces we encounter, making it harder to remember or recognize them later. This is especially true in crowded environments where numerous faces compete for our attention, leading to confusion and difficulty in identifying individuals. Social and environmental contexts further influence our ability to recognize faces. For instance, we are more likely to recognize someone in familiar settings, such as a workplace or home, than in an unfamiliar environment. The context can provide cues that aid recognition, while a lack of context can make it challenging to identify someone. Additionally, social dynamics, such as the presence of a group or the nature of our relationship with a person, can impact how we perceive and remember faces. It's also important to highlight the differences between recognizing faces and objects. While we can often identify objects based on their individual features, face recognition relies heavily on holistic processing, where the overall configuration of facial features is crucial. This means that even minor changes in a person's appearance, such as a new hairstyle or glasses, can significantly affect our ability to recognize them. Understanding these factors helps illuminate why face recognition can be particularly challenging for some individuals, emphasizing the intricate interplay of memory, attention, context, and cognitive processing in this essential social skill. The impact of face blindness. Face blindness, or prosopagnosia, can have profound social and emotional effects on individuals, significantly impacting their personal relationships and social interactions. For those affected, the inability to recognize faces can lead to awkward situations, misunderstandings, and feelings of embarrassment. Imagine walking into a gathering and failing to recognize friends or family members, which can create a sense of isolation and anxiety. This challenge can strain relationships, as loved ones may feel hurt or neglected when they are not recognized, leading to frustration on both sides. Over time, individuals with face blindness may withdraw from social situations altogether, fearing the discomfort of not being able to identify others. To navigate these challenges, many individuals develop coping strategies and utilize various tools. Some may rely on alternative cues, such as voice, clothing, or context, to help identify people. Others might keep a mental or physical list of names and faces, using photographs or notes to aid their memory. Technology also offers solutions, with apps designed to help individuals recognize faces by providing reminders or alerts when encountering familiar people. These strategies can empower those affected by face blindness, allowing them to engage more confidently in social settings. Raising awareness and understanding of face blindness in society is crucial. Many people are unaware of this condition, which can lead to misconceptions and stigma. By educating others about prosopagnosia, we can foster empathy and support for those who experience it. Increased awareness can also encourage more inclusive environments, where individuals with face blindness feel comfortable disclosing their condition and seeking assistance when needed. Ultimately, understanding the impact of face blindness on social and emotional well-being is essential for creating a more compassionate society. By recognizing the challenges faced by individuals with this condition, we can work towards building supportive communities that embrace diversity in cognitive experiences and promote meaningful connections among all individuals. Conclusion: in this exploration of face blindness, or prosopagnosia, we've uncovered the complexities of this intriguing condition and its significant implications for individuals and society. We discussed how face blindness affects approximately 2 to 3% of the population, leading to challenges in recognizing familiar faces and navigating social interactions. The neurological basis of face recognition, particularly the role of the fusiform face area, highlights the intricate processes involved in how we perceive and identify faces. We also examined the factors that contribute to difficulties in face recognition, such as memory, attention, and the influence of social contexts. Understanding face blindness is crucial, not only for those who experience it, but also for fostering empathy and awareness in society. By recognizing the emotional and social impacts of this condition, we can create more supportive environments for individuals affected by prosopagnosia. Coping strategies and technological tools can empower those struggling with face recognition, allowing them to engage more fully in their personal and social lives. As we wrap up this discussion, we encourage you to reflect on the importance of recognizing and understanding face blindness. By spreading awareness, we can help reduce stigma and promote inclusivity for those who face these challenges daily. If you found this video insightful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more engaging content on cognitive science and human perception. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family to help raise awareness about face blindness. Your support not only helps us reach a wider audience, but also contributes to a greater understanding of the diverse experiences that shape our interactions with one another. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you in the future.